Good morning, class. My name is Miss Gary, and today we are going to be adding by 5s and 10s. First, we're going to be starting off with adding by 5s. We're going to start with a practice problem. 5 plus 0. Now, in order to get how much 5 plus 0 equals, we're going to draw it out so it's easier to understand. 5. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 circles represent the top number. Now, since we're adding, we're just going to go ahead and put over our adding sign so we remember what we're doing. And 0. 0 represents nothing, so we don't even have to put anything there. We're just going to carry over our line. Now, what is 5 plus 0? And you just add them up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The answer is 5. So right under here, you just automatically put underneath the line, 5 plus 0 is 5. Now we're going to do one more problem with adding. Okay. We're going to do 15 plus 5. Now, we're going to represent 15 with circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So these 15 circles represent the number 15. Now we're adding, so we're going to bring over our add sign. And now we're going to do 5. So we have to draw out 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now that the problem is done, 15, 15, 5, and 5, carry over your line. Now, class, what is 15 plus 5? Count with me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Good job. So 15 plus 5 is 20. So go ahead and write 20 under here. Let's extend the page. All right, class, now your homework's going to be in your workbook on page 18. And I want them all completed by tomorrow. And then also tomorrow, Miss Raymond's going to be teaching subtraction.
Good morning, class. My name is Miss Raymond. Get out your notebooks. Today we will be going over subtracting by 5s. Last night you should have completed all of Miss Gary's homework for adding by 5s. Today we will be going in reverse. Adding and subtraction are opposites, like fire and water are opposites. We're going to show you how. Now, one of your problems last night was 5, 10, 15, 20. I believe this was problem number 3. In it, you had to explain how you went from number 10 to number 15. With that, you had to add. So, I have one of the examples on the board. 5 plus 5 is, get out your homework.
9.
No, you're very close. Remember, we have, see, here's an example. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We add 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now we have 5 here, so if this is 5 and this is
6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. You can go ahead and change that in your homework. You won't get any more points taken off for that. Now with subtraction, we're going in reverse. If we have 10, and we take away 5, we have the 10 right here, and this is another good reason why on your exam you can go ahead and have the circles, have the squares, have anything you want because of this reason. We have 10, we take away 5. So I'm going to shade in 5 of the circles to show that 5 of them have been taken away. So we have
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 left. That's right. Now here's a trick to know if you get the subtraction correct. Sometimes the addition is easier, but with this, what is 5 plus 5?
10.
Very good. If this number and this number added together equal the top, then you did the problem right. Here's an example. If we have now, does this problem look right? We have 15 and we take away 5. Does that equal 19? What did we do here? Did we, instead of subtract, did we add?
Yes.
And did we add
But-
right?
No.
All right, so let's say this was 15,000 and 5 million. So this is a very big number, but look, you know that the main numbers do not add up. So let's see, what's 19 plus 5? It's 19.
20, 21, 22, 23, 24.
Is that 24?
No,
No.
that's 15.
All right then. So let's do this right. We have 15 and we take away 5.
15, 14, 13.
Yes, Ashley?
12.
Miss Raymond, can you draw the circles, please?
Sure.
I don't understand it like that.
Here, we'll bring the problem down here. Alright, if we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Let's say these are 15 cupcakes. And Nancy comes by and she takes 5 for each of her friends. So 5 have been taken away from this. So Ashley, do you want to circle, do you want to shade in the 5 or do you want me to erase it?
Shade in.
All right, count with me. How many are supposed to be shaded in?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Am I supposed to shade in 6?
No.
That's right. So how many are left? Let's count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
Very good. So 15 minus 5 is 10. Now, your homework tonight is going to be work page 19. That's all to be done. And tomorrow, Mrs. Strong is going to be here. She's going to be reviewing over addition and subtraction by the 5s. Make sure that all of your homework is done.
Good morning, class. My name is Miss Strong, and today we are going to review how to add and subtract by 5s. Miss Gary went over the other day with addition, adding 5s, and Miss Raymond yesterday went over subtracting 5s. So we have a few word problems here that we're going to do. Let's see. Grace has 10 apples in her bucket. Johnny walks up to Grace and hands her 5 more apples to put in her bucket. How many apples does Gracie have in her bucket total? So, if Grace has 10 apples in her bucket and Johnny walks up to Grace and hands her 5 more apples in her bucket, then what type of problem is this? Yes.
Adding.
You're right. It's addition. We're going to add. All right. So, Grace, she has 10 apples. And Johnny has how many apples? 5 apples.
5.
So, if we're going to add 10 plus 5, we're going to draw the apples to add. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. That's how many Grace has. Now to add 5 more for Johnny, we're going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now, if Grace has 10 and you add 5 more, how many does it come out to? 10, 11,
12, 13, 14, 15.
So Grace has 15 apples total.
That's a lot of apples.
That's a lot of apples, you're right.
I like apple pie.
All right, now we're done with adding. We're going to do subtraction. All right. Carrie has 15 balls in her pool. Jerica takes 10 balls away from the pool. How many balls does Carrie have left in her pool? So, if Carrie has 15 balls and Jerica takes 10 away, Carrie has 15, Jerica takes 10 of the balls. If we're taking away, what kind of problem are we doing?
Subtraction?
Subtraction, you're right. This is a subtraction problem. All right, now we're going to draw the balls so we can take them away. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. All right, this right here is Carrie's balls. Now, Jerica takes 10 of them away. So we're going to shade in 10.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
All right, so how many balls does Carrie have left? After I've already shaded them in, how many balls does she have left?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
So therefore, 15 minus 10 equals what?
5.
5 balls left. Good job. All right, your test is tomorrow, so be sure to study for adding and subtracting 5s.
Okay.
What are we doing? I'm Chelsea.
Wait. We have to. I'm not. You're go over some. Okay. I just got.
I'm Jerica, Miss Gary.
Wait. Do you want to switch places then?
Why?
Oh, okay.
Is the camera on?
Yeah.
The camera. This is bloopers. This is a good one. Okay, go ahead. Introduce yourself. I'm Chelsea. Last name. I'm Miss Strong.
And I'm Jerica, Miss Gary.
We did that over again.
No, do yours.
I'm sorry. Do it again.
I'm Chelsea, Miss Strong.
And I'm Jerica, Miss Gary.
And I'm Cari, Miss Raymond.
And this is our Project 15.
Thank you.
Math for second graders.